Hi there guys, welcome back. This is Kishore, founder and CEO of Trade Achievers. So in this video, what we are going to discuss about is, you would have already seen in the thumbnail. So there is going to be a huge contest all over India, and the contest is being run by the National Stock Exchange of India, the NSE. They are going to make a huge contest for the traders, and whoever wants to compete, they can compete in this contest. And the total prize pool, we have already mentioned it in the thumbnail as well, that is 1,75,000 rupees. So the name of the contest is Trade-a-thon. So the registration starts from 2nd of February and until 2nd of March of 2022, and then after the registration process there is a little bit of a training session from 3rd of March to 7th of March, and they'll be teaching you on certain things. What are the important things is capital and derivative markets and value investing with fundamental analysis, options trading, technical analysis. And then after the registration and training process, then there will be a warm-up session where you can go to the live markets and trade in their N-Smart. So they'll be giving you some virtual money, so you can play around with that. And after that there will be a one-day orientation, and then finally the trade week will be from 14th of March to 17th of March, and they have divided into 4 regional zones from north, south and east and west. So from each 4 zones they will be picking 3 traders from each zone, and the total 12 members will be selected for the finals, and the grand finale will be starting on 27th of March. So the in the 12 members, whoever is going to have the highest returns for the investment. So how the competition runs is, they'll be giving you around 20 to 25 lakhs in a virtual trading system, and you will be trading in that, and the highest percentage of return, highest amount, whoever has made it, they'll be considered as the winner. So the one who has made the highest amount of returns will be the first prize, second prize and third prize. And the prize money is, the first prize will be getting 1 lakh rupees, and the second prize they'll be getting around 50,000 rupees, and third prize will be 25,000 rupees. So, and one more thing is, they have categorized this into 2 parts. One is for the students and one is for the open trades. That is for all the traders apart from the students. So in case if you're a student, you will be also getting the same prizes, 1 lakh, 50,000 and 25,000. Apart from that, there is another few more prizes like 15,000 prize money for a title of emerging smart trader, and then prize worth of 5,000 for the next 9 members, and there is little attractive gifts like for the next 100 contestants as well. So these are the prize money for that, and there is 2 registrations separately for students and for the open traders, and there is a registration fees for that, and for the students it will be 999. So 999 will be the registration fee, and for the open category, that is all the traders, whether you're an experienced or a newbie or you're a budding trader, so you can all register in that for, and the registration fee for the open traders is 1,499. Alright, so the registration fee for the students is 999, and for the open category is 1,499. So in case if you are ready to compete in that, and you want to take part and show your talent to the world, that you are one of the best traders in the country, so you can always register in this competition, and the registration links I'll be giving down in the description below, and also the brochure, and this is an official NSE conducting contest. So in case if you want to get the brochure as well, I'm going to give that in the description as well, and you can download and watch for yourself. Alright, so in case, and one more special announcement from Trade Achievers is, in case if you're going to join in this competition, you can redeem that registration fee in our course fee. If you're going to join in the Trade Achievers as a new student, so you can reduce that 1,499 in our course fee as well. So that is a special offer that we are also trying to give it to all the contestants who are going to join. So take part in the competition and try to compete and show your talent to the world. So I hope this video was useful, and thank you very much for joining. Take care.